Hello, CNG 132. Welcome to Thursday. I'm a little behind this week. The kids had a snow day. I should say one kid had a snow day, and the other ones had a late start. And it was bad enough that I just didn't want to drive my car. So everyone stayed home Tuesday. I started grading and decided to hold off just a little bit. Um, I wanted to make sure and stress the importance of uh, making sure you guys know to go back if you didn't turn in something, if you failed to take a quiz, make a discussion post, an essay, um, a project, if you had an issue with the um, anything, make sure to comment. Send me like a direct message either through D2L by pressing this button and choosing either the instant message on the left or the email on the right. Um, Feel free as you're doing the project and say, hey, look, um, I had an issue with step blank. Um, if you have Windows Home Edition, that's going to limit what you can do. All of us should have access to the Windows Education version. That's essentially Windows Pro, but a little bit more. Um, there's a few more things you can do with it, I should say. But make sure to document that. I don't want to give you guys zeros. I don't want to knock off points, but you have to do the work. Um, you have to meet me there. Once again, if something's not working, or if there's a piece of software not out there, make sure to just search it up in the internet, or read through the lab and say, okay, what's this lab asking me to do? Don't hesitate to reach out in Hangouts. Make sure you're asking friends or making friends. I can't tell you how many students make friends at the campus or online, and then that's how they're finding jobs out in the community. There are students at, let's see, Microsoft. There are students in Denver. Um, I'm trying to think, WebRoot. There are students all over, and to make those connections simply by becoming social at school. And that part right there is going to help you land a job sooner at your place of employment. So make sure to, if something goes wrong, document it. When I was taking a test one time, I had the internet crashed, and I just took pictures on my phone and sent it to my instructor and said, hey, this is what happened. I was like, the computer crashed, it blue screened. Um, can I retake the test? Can I take a paper test? What can I do? Once again, I want you guys to get those points, but I cannot give you points. Go back and if you miss something, if you didn't turn it in, go back and get it in. If you didn't get all your discussion points, there's no reason to go back and start saying, okay, look, I missed a reply. I got to get those replies in. Um, and that's all I wanted to hit on for this check-in video, is the importance that, if you miss something, go back and do it. Um, I am not a punisher of late assignments. I'm a student. I know you guys are going to have times where you can't get that assignment in on time because of real life.